In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off forms in Smartsheet. If you ever need to pause incoming responses, maybe your project is changing, you've reached capacity, or you want to tidy up your sheet, turning a form off is a quick way to stop new submissions without deleting anything. Start by opening the sheet that's connected to the form you want to pause. Once your sheet is open, look toward the top of the screen for the main toolbar. There, you'll see an option labeled Forms. Go ahead and click Forms. This menu is your hub for anything related to collecting data through forms in this specific sheet, and it keeps all your form controls in one place so you don't have to hunt around. From the Forms menu, choose Manage Forms. This opens a list of every form tied to the current sheet. If your team uses multiple forms for different audiences, like internal requests versus external submissions, you'll see them all here. Take a moment to identify the exact form you want to turn off so you don't accidentally pause the wrong one. Next, locate the three-dot icon next to that form. This is the More Actions menu. Click it to reveal additional options specific to that form. This is where Smartsheet puts the controls that affect availability and other settings, so it's the right place to make this change. Now click Turn Off. That's the action that disables the form and stops new entries from being submitted. Depending on your setup, Smartsheet may ask you to confirm. If it does, confirm to finalize the change. After turning it off, the form remains in your list and in your sheet's configuration. You're simply preventing new submissions from coming through. Your existing rows and previously collected data stay exactly as they are, and the form itself isn't deleted. A couple of quick tips to keep in mind as you do this. If you don't see the Forms option in the toolbar, you may not have the right permissions for that sheet, or you might be in a view that hides that control. Switching to the sheet and ensuring you have editor or admin rights typically resolves this. Also, if multiple forms look similar, consider renaming them clearly in advance so you can pick the correct one quickly in Manage Forms. That's all there is to it. By using Forms, then Manage Forms, opening the three-dot menu for the correct form, and selecting Turn Off, you can pause submissions instantly while keeping your data intact and your workflow under control.